guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae.
I'm Niley!
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang up-close and personal video ng ating Miss Universe Philippines Bacoor. That's Victoria Velasquez Vincent, and this is a personality interview challenge. Ang mananalo sa challenge nito with the most number of votes ay automatically enters the semi-finals.
To vote for VVV, just download the Miss Universe Philippines app, tapos go to the challenge vote tab. Third tab yan, found at the bottom part of the app. And then scroll down and vote for the one you think you should win the challenge.
If you think na si VVV na yan ay i-vote nyo na. Without any further ado, let's jump into the video. But tignan muna natin yung kanyang naging outfit for this challenge.
Ay, wow.
So, ayan. Very formal na nakalugay lang yung hair.
Nangilig nila sa blue ngayon. Malamig ang blue. Ikaw din.
Ay, oo pala. Charot. Naka-blue. Medyo glittery yung kanyang coat and then with the bottom na white. It's very clean, especially the hair nakalugay lang and very regal, formal, ganun.
I love that it's, hindi siya ganun kasikip.
Yes. Carefree.
Carefree siya.
Oh. I'm a bit of an adrenaline junkie, but then at the same time, medyo natakot ako sa like aeroplano. So I want to go skydiving for sure, so I can face my fear.
Ay, wow.
Wala ako sa aeroplano, pero mag-skydiving. Pero that's very bold, no? I think gusto ko rin yung ma-experience skydiving, don't you think?
Nalakas mo ka aircon, no? Mabang ka na lang ako. Ano ba? Ano lang, talon sa forest, pwede na yun?
Hindi, magpo-falls ka pa, tatalon ka lang sa irrigation.
Hindi ako mataray. Everyone thinks I'm mataray, especially minsan, when the way that I dress or the way that I'm glammed up. Hindi ako mataray, promise. Very relatable ako. Normal lang ako.
Ang cute nun, promise. Kasi yun talaga. Yung mata niya kasi minsan, the way minsan parang ang taray ng mata niya or yung siguro intimidating yung kanyang mga outfits kasi bonggang-bongga, madam-madam, ganon. Just like what we always say naman na, di ba, before we judge others to avoid misjudgment, mas maigi na lang na kilalanin muna natin and then huwag tayong maniniwala dun sa mga hearsay. Sabi ni ganyan, sabi ni ganito na, mataray yan, masamang ugali niya, di ba?
I wish ganito rin yung screening sa politicians na tatakbo. No? Wow. May personality.
Huwag na tayong pumunta sa politics.
Ooh. So I'm a little bit introverted naturally, but I've kind of learned to be a little bit more extroverted when I need to be, but I think I need to push myself just a little bit.
Short and sweet ng answer niya, no?
Short, sweet, precise, and concise. Ano pa ba?
Pero hindi siya void of personality. Meron siyang full of personality talaga yung tawa niya and the way she constructs yung sentences
mafe-feel mo din yung sincerity.
Yes.
Na meron talaga siyang sincerity. Totoo siya sa mga sinasabi.
Showbiz.
Yes. Hindi man to showbiz. So yeah guys, and if you wanted to support VVV for this challenge and automatically enters the semifinals, don't forget to vote. Download the Miss Universe Philippines app and go to the vote tab. So, hey guys, thank you so much. At sinamahan nyo na kayo sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe at notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So, keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!